So, happy Valentine's Day sa inyo mga kalamon. Today's actually pretty interesting. No? I'm dressed up right now dahil kasi we're gonna go to a formal event. We're going to attend a 45th wedding anniversary ng aking tito at tita na galing US. So, hindi ko alam kasi kung kailan ko may sisingit yung intro kaya I rather do it right now. Nanggaling pa sila mula Chicago. They're already based in the US kasi at umuwi sila dito sa Pilipinas to renew their vows eh. There's so many things to unpack doon. The fact lang na 45 years of marriage, no? Ang galing, ang galing. Dami mo kasi, I don't know, siguro when it's a trending thing, I guess. Pag mga ganun, pag may mga kaibigan ka na some of them they get married, tapos may mga iba na they're just living together, no? Yung mga common laws. Tapos alam mo, regardless of nalagay ba sa or nilagyan ba ng singsing, civil wed, or just living together, mga ganon. The fact lang na they've decided to, live together and support each other through thick and thin, sickness and health, till death do you part. Mga ganon. It's just amazing. It's just a testament of one of the most beautiful things about the human experience, and that is love. It took some time pero dumating na rin yung Grab na sinakyan ko at tayo ay umalis. So, it was raining daw earlier yesterday so I hope yung mga nag-date ay hindi naman naagabyado ang kanilang araw. Yes, sir. So, pagdating dito sa simbahan, Our Lady of Sorrows sa FB Harrison, may their union be blessed by Christ. Alright, so pagkatapos nun, tayo ay sumakay na. So kasama ko yung family ko at tayo ay pumunta dun sa reception. Yes, sir. So, dito na kami dumaan sa may Pasay going to the venue dahil kasi ang tindi ng traffic ngayon eh. Understandably, everybody is going everywhere. Spend a Valentine sila, mga uwi sa probinsya, and of course, payday weekend. So, I hope everybody didn't have too much trouble, lalo na daw nung pauwi at sila ay naipit or na-stranded. But anyways, now, nandito tayo sa venue ngayon sa Manila Hotel. Yes, sir. Napaka-festive, no? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa venue and sa mga formal events, mayroong lechon. Yes, sir. So, ini-introduce ang bride and groom and we get to the festivities. So, kasama din yung sayaw, with glasses clinking. Nag-request sila ng kiss. So sweet. Tapos slicing of the cake. Sobrang nakakatawa, no? Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nila. And of course, tasting. May inom din ng champagne. And of course, another kiss. Wouldn't believe, no? 45 years, man. 45 years. A few words from the lovely couple. Sinamahan na kanilang families from different parts of the US. Umuwi, pumunta dito. Now we go to the catering. Yes. Napakasolid eh, no? Ako talaga may bias ako when it comes to food mula sa Manila Hotel dahil kasi it's top-notch everything. Yes, sir. So, sige. Ito yung selection nila ng desserts, fruits, at saka mga merienda. But we now proceed to the mains. Yes, sir. Unahin na muna natin yung kalderetang kambing. Lambot at napakalasa. Kuha na rin tayo ng konting gulay. Now, this is really good. Ito yung take nila sa Bistek Tagalog. I remember in-order ko to na a la carte and it's super good. Parali yun. Samahan din natin siya ng Fiesta Rice. Isang kagat. Super satisfying. And we also get to ensalada at quesong puti. We also have pork spare ribs. Napakasulit with sweet and sour sauce. Goods yun. And of course, some fish. Yes, napakasulit. And the lechon, it was very good. It was very savory. And some duck. Napakasulit. Now we proceed to the game. So nagkaroon ng bridal bingo and it was very chill yet competitive eh. And when you know, bingo. A few words from the friends and relatives and we proceed to some celebration. So maraming salamat din kina Ate Abby for organizing the event. Of course, we have some coffee and cake. Perfect merienda eh, no? Napakasulit. Not too sweet at all. So congratulations once again, Tito and Tita. Many, many more years to come. Follow for more.